be showing you how to solve a quadratic equation by using this quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. So first what you want to do is you want to label your a, b, and c. So this would be your a, this would be your b, and this is your c. So then what you have to do is you plug your a, b, and c into the equation. So let's go ahead and do that. Negative 2 plus or minus the square root.
I'm gonna pause it for a second.
Do it! No, keep it rolling, don't pause it.
You have b, so you have 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is going to be a 1, times c, which is 6, all over 2 times a.
This is -6.
Negative 6. And then what you want to do is you can already just simplify this down. So it'd be -4 times -6 and 2 squared. And this would just be 2, so you can just keep that. And then you can simplify this down to be positive 24. And then 2 squared is 4, so you do 4 plus 24 over 2. 4 plus 24 is 28. And then, since that is not a perfect square, you just have to do 2 negative 2 plus the square root of 28 over 2. That equals 1, and you want to simplify it to the nearest 100. So that would be 1.65. And then also negative 2 minus square root of 28 divided by 2. Equals negative 3.64. So these two are your x's.
248. And now we're going to be doing the quadratic equation and putting it into the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4c over 2a. But I'm too lazy to write that down. So we're going to have a, b, and c, or a, b, and the coefficient. And so we're going to put in negative 8 plus all x equals plus or minus square root of b 8 squared minus 4 times 4 times 4. Hold that over 2 times 4. So I have negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 64 over 8. So now we have negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 0 over 8. It says it's the square root of 0. It doesn't matter whether we add or subtract this, and it's going to be, well, may as well. So then we have negative 8 plus. X equals negative 1 because 8 over negative 1 over 8 is 1. And we have same thing because of 8 minus the square root of 0 over 8 is negative 1. As usual.
Today I'm going to show you how to solve the quadratic equation 8x squared plus 12x minus 24 and plug it into the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So what you need to do first is identify your a, b, and c values. So 8 is going to be your a, 12 is going to be your b, and negative 24 is going to be your c. So now you just need to plug that in, whereas negative b would be 12 plus or minus square root of 12 squared minus 4 times 8 times negative 24 over 2 times 8. So then you're going to simplify it, where 2 times 8 would be 16. This would be negative 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus plus 768. And then you're going to want to solve what's in the square root. So you do 144 plus 768. Which would be 912. Let me just bring everything else down. And then you're going to have two problems. Negative 12 plus the square root of 912 over 16, and negative 12 minus the square root of 912 over 16. So what we're going to solve first is negative 12 plus 912, the square root of 912 over 16. So you would do negative 12 plus the square root of 912, which would come out as 18 point, all the decimal numbers, and then you divide that by 16, and your x would be 1.14. Now we're going to solve negative 12 minus the square root of 912 over 16. So just like the first one, you would type in negative 12 minus the square root of 912, which will give you negative 42.20. You divide that by 16, which would give you x equals negative 2.64. What's up, guys? This is Enderman 500. I thank you for watching my video with my friends on the quadratic formula. This was just a little something we were doing in school in Algebra 1 math, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later.